Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and in today's video we are going to watch the Bitcoin dominance, and we'll see that how much freely the altcoins now can move towards the upside and towards the downside. And we will also watch the complete altcoin index, that is the crypto total market cap exclude Bitcoin. That is also called total 2 chart. First of all, let me just show you this chart. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can join me here. I've shared the link in the video's description. Okay, first of all, let me just show you this chart. This is the daily time frame, and here we can see that the Bitcoin dominance is moving in ascending triangle. We can see that we have so many rejections. Like from here, the price action was entered here and rejected, moved down, and again we had the rejection here and moved down, and now we are very close to this resistance of the ascending triangle. Now at the same time, we can see that we are very close to our all-time lowest value of this index. Let me just zoom it out, and we can see that the all-time lowest value is here. Recently, back in January 2018, we had here that was 35.41. And if I place this trend line here, and let me place it here and change it to the monthly time frame, and we can see that we are at the all-time lowest value, very close to this all-time lowest value. But before this, we also have another support, like we had another support here. And if I place this trend line here at this support, then we can see that in case we will have a breakdown, for example, if it will be rejected here, that we are waiting for, and it will break down this support of the ascending triangle, and it can move down up to, if I place this trend line here, this is the measurement from this tail of the triangle up to this support. And for example, if we will have the breakdown from here, then we can see that we will be approximately at this support, or maybe we will touch the all-time lowest value of this index. Let me change it back to the weekly time frame again, and we can see we will be very close to this all-time lowest value of this index if it will be broken down, and then the index can move more down to break down this support like we have here. And then we have the lowest support at 35. The value is 35. Now this is not sufficient only to have a altcoin season. For example, if it will be broken down, then definitely the dominance will be decreased, and the altcoin market can move towards the upside and towards the downside freely without the dominance of the Bitcoin. But the second thing is the altcoin index. We need to see the altcoins, whether they are in mood to move towards the upside or downside. For example, if we take a look at this total 2 chart, then here a very obvious head and shoulder pattern has been formed. And if I place this head and shoulder tool from here, then to place it here, and we can see that we have this left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, and the price action has broken down this neckline as well. You can see that after the formation of this head and shoulder, it has broken down the neckline, and the price action is moving towards the downside. Now, if the altcoin index will be moved down, the altcoins, most of the top altcoins especially I'm talking about, can move towards the downside. But we have so many resistance support levels. For example, let me place this trend line on the different support levels. Like we have this support here, and you can see that previously it has been breaking as a resistance here and as a support here so many times. And then here the price action, the index moved very close to this support but rejected, and then again it worked as a very strong support here and rejected, and the index moved towards the upside, and now it is going to test this support again. So in my point of view, we should treat this support, because this is breaking as a very strong support, as a neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. So we can also place this head and shoulder pattern like this up to this neckline, this support, because this is very strong support so far, we can see. And this right shoulder here, then we can expect that this can work as a neckline for this head and shoulder. And once the price action, this index will be able to break down, then we can expect a very strong rally in the complete altcoin market towards the downside, but that will be a very bearish trend. However, at the same time, you can see that the price action, this index was moving here in an up channel. That will place this regression tool that will automatically form and identify an up channel or down channel for us. And here we can see that it was moving in an up channel here. And when the price action moved here, it broke down the support of this up channel. You can see even though we had a big gap here, however, it was moving in this channel very well. And if I place this regression tool here again, let me remove this head and shoulder to make it more clear and place some trend lines to refine this down channel that we have found here. We can see that we have the resistance of this down channel here, and here we have the support of this down channel. Now we can see that the price action is moving towards the downside to test this support. Now if we take a look at this previous support that we have found here and the support of this down channel, this is a very, very important area. From here we can expect a bounce from here, and maybe the price action, if we will have a breakout, like a rejection here on the Bitcoin dominance chart, it will be rejected and move down, and at the same time it will break out this resistance of this down channel. Then we can expect the altcoin rally, because if the dominance will be decreased, definitely it will be able to move towards the upside freely without the dominance of the Bitcoin, whether the Bitcoin is sold or not. And at the same time, after breaking out this channel, the index can be more bullish and it can reach up to this resistance level. We can see that we have so many rejections here. The price action has so many times attempted to break out this resistance but could not break out and rejected and move down. So the price line can move up to this resistance again, and we can have a very, very nice altcoin rally towards the upside. You can also call it as a altcoin season, like previously we had in January 2018 when this index was moving up. Like, let me show you on the weekly time frame chart back in January 2018. So especially the altcoin holders at this time, this is not a financial advice, this is only my opinion. They should watch and observe this dominance chart, and whether this dominance will be broken out or it will be broken down. And the second thing is this total to crypto chart, excluding Bitcoin. This is the performance of the all other altcoins, excluding Bitcoins. And if it will be able to break out this resistance of the down channel on this daily time frame, then we can expect an all season that can be a very, very big all season like the previously we had in January 2018. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.